I always wanted to be an entrepreneur, and I tried to get a business loan, but was denied. Tried to get a car loan, denied. Credit card, denied. I had horrible credit. I decided to fix it, so I found megacreditboost.com. With my credit repaired, I was able to get the capital I needed to get my business off the ground, and was finally able to qualify for the loans to get the car and house I always wanted. If you have bad credit and are tired of being turned down left and right and are ready to make a change, we can help. Go to megacreditboost.com and schedule a one-on-one consultation with one of our credit analysts. Let us assist you in getting your financial life back on track by going to megacreditboost.com today.